Stop drinking those sugary 3 p.m. crash coffees and those watery green juices. If you want relentless all-day energy, glowing skin, boosted immunity, and natural relief for those stiff, aching knees and joints, all wrapped up in one delicious glass, you need this recipe. This is a total body transformer we call the full-spectrum power drink. We're combining banana, complex oats, milk, carrot, and the infamous beetroot into a powerhouse blend that simultaneously cuts bad cholesterol, thanks to those amazing oats, fights, painful inflammation, the beetroot secret, supercharges your gut, hello healthy fiber. But listen up, do not skip the end of this video. I'm sharing the critical blending mistake. Key nutrients from each ingredient. Ingredient primary nutritional contributions. Health importance. Beetroot. Dietary nitrates. Folate. B9. Iron. Antioxidants. Fiber lowers blood pressure, supports red blood cell formation, anti-anemia, reduces inflammation, improves athletic performance. Oats. Beta-glucan. Soluble fiber. Manganese. Complex carbohydrates, lowers cholesterol, stabilizes blood sugar, provides sustained energy, promotes satiety, feeling full. Banana potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, fiber supports heart health, blood pressure, aids digestion, boosts quick energy. Milk, calcium, protein, vitamin D, vitamin B12, essential enhanced health importance with carrot and lemon. Adding carrot and lemon juice transforms the smoothie from primarily an energy-talk heart health drink into a powerhouse for immunity, skin health, and nutrient absorption. Enhanced vision and skin health. Carrot, key nutrient, beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A. Benefit, carrots are famous for supporting eye health and are powerful antioxidants. Vitamin A is crucial for skin cell growth and repair, giving the blend new benefits for a healthy, glowing complexion. Boosted immunity and antioxidant power. Lemon. Key nutrient. Vitamin C. Benefit. Lemon juice provides a massive shot of vitamin C, a vital nutrient that supports the immune system and acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect cells from damage. Synergy. Vitamin C helps your body absorb non-heme iron, the type of iron found in plant-based sources like beetroot and oats, much more effectively. Natural flavor balancer. Lemon. The tartness of the lemon juice brilliantly cuts through and balances the earthy flavor of the beetroot and the sweetness of the banana and carrot, making the overall taste much brighter and more palatable.